Guys, Official Ma here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this YouTube channel, we talk about men's relationship and how to get you your dream girl. If you know this kind of content interests you, please hit the subscribe button down below. And with that being done, let's proceed to the video. In today's video, from the caption already, is already obvious on what we are going to be speaking about. We are going to be talking about why women love men that don't try too hard to impress. So this video actually is going to be in two segments. In the first segment of this video, we're going to be speaking about why women find men that don't try too hard attractive. And in the second segment of this video, we are going to be speaking about how to not try too hard and still be very much attractive. So are you ready? Because I am. Let's dive into the video. So in the first segment of this video, why do women actually love men that don't try too hard? Number one is confidence. Yeah, you're being confident in yourself. And I told you that most women love men that are confident anytime, any day. Most of the time, it doesn't necessarily have to do with money. I've seen so many men that are well-to-do, and even at that, they can't even get any girl. They can't get a girl because they are not confident in themselves. And women actually, they see through all these things. They see through men that are not confident in themselves. Number two reason why women love men that don't try too hard to impress is mystery. A mystery equal to intrigue. Like when someone is curious, when there's mystery around something, it often sparks curiosity. And one thing about curiosity is that most people would want to know what is really up about this person. Who is this person? What is giving that person the vibe? What is giving that person this aura to be this way? They want to know why you're that way, and definitely they want to know more about you, to know why this person, if it's Nigeria, they want to know why this person has so much teeth. According to Nigerians, they want to know why this person has so much teeth. You are not just trying too hard, you're just there in your lane, not trying too hard to impress anybody. Number three, it shows self-assurance that you're high demand and definitely you won't settle for anything less. And one thing about humans is that there's something called social proof. Most people would want to go for things that are popular. Most people want to go for something that is higher in demand. That is just the nature of human beings. So once you are this kind of person that is not trying too hard to impress, it would be like, okay, what is up about this person? This person is confident in himself, and that shows that this person is high in demand. And most people would want to go for things that are high in demand. That's a social proof, simple psychology. And how do you be that person that is not trying too hard, you're just there on your own? How do you actually achieve this? Number one, try to focus your time on things that are more productive in your life. Improve yourself every single way that you can, emotionally, physically, put in work into yourself. Dedicate your time to self-improvement by reading books, by developing yourself intellectually, by developing yourself physically, otherwise. Anything that you know that actually you could do to improve yourself in any way, shape, or form, just do it to improve yourself. That is how you be that person that don't try too hard to impress. Number two, be independent. Yeah, be that kind of person that you have a word of your own. You have a say of your own. Most people, in this modern world, I've seen that most people have sheep mentality, especially in this era of smartphone and internet, because I've seen that most times people just go for things that most people support. Maybe there's a controversial issue and you see that, okay, most people are taking this particular person's side. Most people would not want to think with their own brain. They definitely would follow the side that is the voices that are more higher. Most people would not want to think by themselves. They will follow the crowd. That is called sheep mentality. Be independent. When you're independent, most people would want to know, okay, why is this person actually standing out? Have a mind of your own. Learn to stand out. Number two way that you become the man that don't try too hard to impress is that you should learn to say no. It's okay for you to say yes to the people that you love at once in a while, but also learn to say no when things are not really convenient for you. You should learn to draw the line. You should learn to set boundaries when things are not really convenient for you. Learn to draw the line and learn to set those boundaries. Learn to say no. They should have at the back of their mind that, okay, it's not every time that they'll receive yes from you. That is called mystery also. They would not be able to predict you. That is how you become the person that don't try too hard to impress. Number three, stop being too needy and desperate. Yeah. Stop being that kind of person that to always be, okay, if you text them and they've not texted back immediately, you're shaking and you're fidgeting in every single way, shape, or form. If you're that kind of person that you know that you're you have anxiety when you text people and they don't text you back, simply what you can just do is that if you text them and you know that if they don't text back, you start being anxious, you can just simply log out of that particular app or You can just go and start spending time on some other things and just keep your mind away from that particular thing or that particular situation than being too needy, being too desperate, texting every single time. And if they've not texted back, you're shaking, you're fidgeting, and you're all over the place. And if you're that kind of person that is always needy and very desperate, you always be that kind of person that would want to try too hard to impress every single person, because this person has you at their chokehold. You're codependent on them. You're codependent on them for your happiness. You're codependent on them on every single thing, because if this person doesn't text you, or this person doesn't call you, or this person doesn't respond to your call immediately, you literally are not yourself for the whole day. Moving on, number 4, don't always be too available. Have a life of your own outside this particular person. Number 5, keep on pursuing your ambition. Yeah, that is the way to curb not being too available and being too desperate and being too needy. Because when you have your ambition, you have your goals, you have things like you're pursuing your dreams and pursuing your passion, you would not really have the time to go out and start trying to every hard to like start impressing a particular girl or start impressing a particular person. The next point I have here is that don't allow her to treat you like an option or a second option. That is why I always say that define your relationships from the initial beginning, the initial starts. Define your relationship. I was saying the other day, one of my videos, that the talking stage should not even last for more than 3 weeks, because you guys are not stammerers, obviously. No shade to people that stammer, or no shade to people that stutter. You guys are not like stuttering. Like, what are you guys talking for over like 3 months or over 7 months? You're getting to know this person for over 7 months. Someone in the comment section was even saying that 3 weeks was even too much, that 3 days is max. That comment actually made me laugh so hard. Define a relationship. What do you want? Like, are we dating? Are we not dating? Like, don't just sit down there and just hope that, okay, one day, eventually, she would magically know that I like her and she will accept me to be her boyfriend. It doesn't work that way most of the time. At the end of the day, you end up in the bestie zone, which is the worse than the friend zone. It's even better you end up in the friend zone than ending up in the bestie zone for a girl to make you her male bestie. When you're not gay, when you're not gay, it doesn't really sit well. At the initial stage, tell this person that I want to be your boyfriend, I want to date you. That is the easiest way not to waste your time. In her head, she will never see you as a friend, because she knows that you've told her that you don't want to be a friend, you want to be her boyfriend. You've told her over and over again. You've repeatedly told her that. So in her head, she will never see you as a friend. What being in the friend zone does to you is that you keep on trying hard to please this person. So one day she would promote you eventually. It's just like maybe you're an intern in a company. That's just the perfect definition. Both the things that you know that you can't do, both the things that are convenient for you and the things that are not convenient for you, you will try to do every single one of them. So one day she'll magically employ you to or promote you to the stage of being the boyfriend. Is it really worth it? Like, it's because this one is even kind of different from a job. At least in a job you get paid, but in a relationship, most of the time, you the guy, you be the one spending. So you're paying this person to promote you. Isn't making any sense. If you want to join our Telegram channel, be part of the discussion every first Saturday of the month. If you want to be part of the Telegram channel, you want to be part of the community, the link would be in the description box down below and also the pinned comment. Give this video a very big thumbs up if you found this video very useful, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button to be part of the growing community. I love you guys all, and see you in my next video. Cheers.